Oh, hey guys. Hey, it's frickin' Mo Day! Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Yeah. That's right guys, it is Mo Day and I'm excited. It is Thursday, it's almost the weekend, and I'm ready to get started. I'm gonna do something a little bit different in my lawn today, at the front and the back. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know. I do have some apps that I could potentially put down. Don't think I'm gonna do it today. That could wait. I don't know, we'll see. Let's play it by ear. Is that? I think I got a crack. But anyway, all right, let's get to it. Hey, before we go anywhere, I just wanted to say, look at all the love and support. This is amazing. You guys are all just amazing. I really appreciate it. And yeah, that's all I got to say about that. All right. Today's just one of those days, guys. I feel freaking amazing. There's a lot to do today. Let me show you what I did earlier. Had a little baby out and she was helping me, kind of monitoring what I'm doing, you know, micromanaging. But here, check this out. What's going on, everybody? No, I'm not hurt. Those are actually supposed to go in the trash, which I forgot. But I always forget to do this. I just weeded all this area, kind of mixed up the dirt a little bit, broke it up. Now it's real soft. I'm just going around. I put in about 40 bags of topsoil here about a year ago. And there's tons of weeds and we didn't get to do what we wanted to do over here. And I'm just getting it ready now because I'm gonna plant here and there. And this plant's supposed to just spread. So I still got this left. And there's old Lucy. Can you say hi? Say hi. No? You camera shy? Ooh, yeah. But still got this little bit to go. And then down there where my drain is. Yeah. So that was fun. Got all that complete and it's ready. Some things are going down in there. Some more dirt's going down in there. Get some great looking flowers. Finally plant those plants over there. And but yeah, there's a lot to do. Still haven't finished my trench. Still got to pick up some of those piles in the backyard. Whoo! Still got to get rid of these bricks. Oh, there's so much, guys. You don't want to miss it. If you don't want to miss it, like, comment, subscribe. Who cares about the like and comment? But subscribe and click that little bell at the top somewhere or below somewhere. I don't know. I don't care. Find it. You're on YouTube. You know what to do. Hit it. That way you won't miss any of my videos coming up because they're gold. For the past month and a half, I've been bagging it. Well, today, I'm raw dogging it. That's right. No bag. Let's get it. So the front went amazing. Like I said, I didn't bag, so a little bit of excess on the lawn, which I don't like, but it's workable. But you couldn't really see it from that side, and I can see them pretty good from this side, but I don't know. Take a look. So what I tried to do was do my double stripes, my double thick, whatever you want to call it. Instead of double dark, I did double light, and I guess it doesn't matter, but I tried to double it up. Hang tight and enjoy this moment. So I'm not really sure where that shut off on me, and that's annoying. But finished the back, and I think from here with me it looks amazing. It looks great, but hopefully you guys can see it. I tried to do the same thing I did as in the front, the double, single, double, double, single, whatever. Not sure you can see that, but it looks good to me. It looks really good. And yeah, even the clippings, not bad. Nice and green, I love that. But obviously you can see I still need to get that stuff out of here. And then I need to pick up a few piles over here, pile over there, pile over here. I'm starting to feel like Connor Ward with giving excuses of why things aren't picked up. Just kidding. I'm just kidding, Lawn Rebel. Take her easy. Take her easy too. But yeah, I'm just taking a break, guys. I'm rambling. But let me take you back over to that dead spot that I showed you guys, what, 2 weeks ago? A week ago? But it's filling in, guys, little by little. Before you couldn't see the greens coming out from the dead spots, but you can now. And like this spot right here, that's gonna be coming across, and that's gonna fill in. I'm gonna blow all this grass off and get it all cleaned up, and yeah, I think I'm done for the day. I don't think I'm gonna do any apps. I'm hot, I'm tired. I'm gonna go sit down for a little bit and think about what I wanna do. And then, because probably what I really want to do is go play with my baby. And, you know, we're very fortunate to be home with her this long. But anyway, guys, I don't know how many times I'm going to say that, but anyway, let's give another look-see at the lawn. What's going on, guys? So I gotta pick up my trash bins and bring them closer. I still haven't even cut these trees yet. Oh, that one is just, that needs to go. That big long branch. Yeah. I'm calling it quits today for the third time. I'm out of here. Hope you guys have a great day, great night, great morning. See you later. Oh, you thought I was done. Hold on. Now, if you made it this far, then you're really interested. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. This video, if you're like, it's all right, it gets better. It always does. It gets better, guys. But I know that's not what you were thinking. You were just like, oh man, I love this dude. I'm gonna watch him every day. Because that's about how much I put out my videos. Every 2 to 3 days, maybe. But, all right, guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you like it. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. That's fine if you didn't like it. If you didn't like it, tell me what you didn't like about it. I don't care. Just tell me. You don't like my hat. You don't like my shirt. You don't like the way I walk when I walk. I don't know. But all right, guys. Enough about that. I'm thirsty. And I want to sit down. All right. Bye-bye.